going to look at how to use the 9-inch and 13-inch Stay Sharp laminate flooring cutters by Exchange Blade. Now, first of all, I'd like to point out that these are the ideal tool for both the homeowner and the professional. This is basically our homeowner lighter duty. This is our heavy duty professional unit. And please make sure that you understand the 13-inch is not just a larger version of the 9-inch. This is an industrial heavy duty model designed specifically for the professional user. The beauty of these cutters is that they will cut a variety of flooring material. We can use them with engineered wood flooring, laminate flooring, rubber and vinyl flooring, linoleum, foam. We can even use this as a cutting device for hardy plank and cement board. The difference between the two is the professional one will cut up to 15 millimeter or 19/32. The do-it-yourself unit will cut up to about 1/2 inch or 12 millimeters of material. Let's first of all look at our 9-inch version. We have a little protractor on the side, which can be used to make cuts from 0 degrees up to 45 degrees. To open up the blade, we just simply take this knob, undo it, take a little pressure off the blade, slide it to one side, and our blade is now functional. So let's demonstrate how this will cut. Here's a piece of engineered wood flooring, commonly used throughout the home. So we're going to just put our material in place, hold it nice and tight, press down on the handle, and as you can see, we have a nice clean cut. Some of the less expensive laminate flooring, you will tend to get a little bit of chipping along the edge. One way to help eradicate that a little bit is to make your cut upside down. So once again, slide our material in. Make sure you cut all the way through. So you see there's a little bit of chipping on the surface here, not really any chipping on the underside. Let's take a look at our professional industrial version. This machine here can give us up to a 13-inch cut. It can also give us up to a 15 millimeter thickness of material. We have a much better actually, protractor. Again, we can cut from 0 degrees or straight all the way up to 45 degrees. And we have not only a wider work surface, but a longer work surface. Our handle, because you're going to be using heavier materials, the handle itself can also be extended for additional leverage. One of the dustiest, hardest products for us to cut, and especially when you're working in the house, if you're using cement board to wrap around a shower or tub install, or even hardy plank siding on the outside of your house, cutting this results in a lot of dust. This machine here can cut single layer hardy plank with no effort whatsoever. We've got a perfectly clean cut. If we want to cut at an angle, all I have to do is simply slide my protractor, put my work in, again, hold it steady, and there is a nice 30-degree cut. After you've done a couple of hundred cuts, just put a little oil on the rotor bar here. Just work it in so that it has a nice smooth action. So to keep your cut nice and smooth, each one of these, both the 9-inch and the 13-inch, come with a honing stone. To work the honing stone, all we have to do is lift our blade slightly, set the stone in here. So 1, 2, and what that will do, and on the other side the same thing, except it's on an angle. We go 1, 2, and what that has done has taken any burr off the edge of the blade, and it'll also remove any gum buildup from the adhesives that are part of the laminate flooring. Should the blade, when the blade actually gradually will wear down, you can adjust it, because it's very important, obviously, that the blade come right to the bottom so that it connects and you get a clean cut. To adjust your blade, you just disconnect these 4 screws in the bottom, and you can rotate these 2 pads so that you will get a nice, clean, perfect cut. If you found this video helpful, please make sure that you like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.